Okay, so for this question, we're looking for the wavelengths giving the frequency. Okay, you should have two answers for this because we're giving two different frequency. So let's get started. First, we're going to do FM wave. Okay, so the formula to go is this. C is equal to lambda nu. So therefore, to find the wavelength lambda, that would be C over nu. C is always 3.0 or 3 times 10 to the 8, okay, meter per seconds. Let's go to your nu or frequency. Frequency in this case is 102.5 megahertz. Okay, so 102.5 megahertz. Don't get confused. Big M with that little m. That little m is a meter. This big M is a mega. That's a H, by the way. Sorry about that. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to